Hello, my name is Faris here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This camper features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. The California Ocean also comes with the 4MOTION 4-wheel drive technology. This example is finished in the special factory two-tone colour combination candy white over copper bronze. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, towards the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors set into the lower portion of the front bumper, where we'll also find a set of front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, across all four wheels, we'll find the 17-inch Residue alloy wheels finished in a silver colour, and they also come in a multi-spoke design. On the side of the vehicle, we'll find a rollout awning finished in a black housing. This being the California Ocean, it features an electro-hydraulic operated pop-up roof, which provides a two-berth sleeping area. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window and some California badging across the tailgate. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera, and we'll also find some 4MOTION badging. There's also a set of rear parking sensors, which helps you when parking and maneuvering. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the California, we'll have the multi-flex board in the rear with some storage space beneath this. Over on the left hand side, we'll also find some storage shelves as well as an outlet for the outdoor shower. This California comes with a power sliding door located on the driver's side of the vehicle, which is a nice added touch of luxury. In the back of the California, we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench in the art velours interior trim upgrade. The rest of the camper contains everything that you would expect to find, such as a fridge/cool box, a twin hob burner, as well as a sink with a foldable tap. Once the sun sets and it's time for bed, the rear passenger bench can be folded down into a two-berth sleeping area. A comfort mattress is also provided. Up front in the driver's cab area, we have two singular swiveling seats, both with two armrests apiece. Again, these are finished in the comfortable art velours interior trim. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash, we'll find the 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system features the Discover Media Pro navigation, which allows the navigation system to be displayed on the colour touchscreen as well as the digital cockpit system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, including FM and DAB radio stations. Users can also opt to connect with the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This system will also display the rear view reversing camera once reverse gear has been selected, and when something comes in close proximity to the vehicle, the parking distance control will also show on here as well. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. This California comes with two front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Over to the left, we'll find the buttons for the parking assist, parking sensors, as well as a stop start. The power sliding door can also be operated from the cab. The driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.